VBX CNC vertical boring and milling machines, advanced precision and automation. VBX CNC machines are the ideal solution for vertical boring and milling, integrating an advanced CNC control system for automated, high-precision operations. These machines are equipped with Renishaw wireless probing system for automatic centering and measurement, ensuring maximum accuracy. Automatic centering and tool changing optimizes setup times and increases production efficiency. Automatic bore-to-bore movements. The machine moves autonomously between different machining operations, reducing operator intervention. Memory for saved settings. All configurations and machining parameters can be stored, facilitating repeatability and future job management. VBX CNC machines are designed to elevate the standards of precision and automation in your boring and milling operations.